What? What are you doing? What am I? What do you want me to do? Echo Foxtrot McGillicuddy. What's your 20? That sounds delicious. I'll have one in with pepperoni and pineapple and a side of calamari. Yeah, you could just ring the bell. Thank you. Okay. Okay.